A wave of new tax changes is now taking effect, and some could put real money back in your pocket. Here are the 6 biggest from the 2025 One Big Beautiful Bill. Here is everything we are going to cover today. First, no tax on tips. If you work in a job where tipping is customary, you can now deduct up to $25,000 of your reported tip income each year. That effectively makes those tips free from federal income tax for the tax years 2025 through 2028. Second, no tax on overtime. When you work overtime, the extra half of that time and a half pay can now be deducted, up to $12,500 if you are single, or $25,000 for a married couple filing jointly. Same window, 2025 through 2028. But there is a catch on both of these: an income limit. The tip and overtime deductions start to shrink once your income passes $150,000, or $300,000 for a married couple. Third, a bonus deduction for seniors. If you are 65 or older, you get an extra $6,000 deduction on top of the standard one. For a married couple where both spouses are 65 plus, that is $12,000. It phases out for higher incomes. Fourth, a car loan interest deduction. If you take out a loan on a new vehicle that had its final assembly in the United States, you can deduct up to $10,000 a year of the interest you pay. It has to be a new car, and the loan taken out after 2024. Fifth, Trump accounts. For children born between 2025 and 2028, the federal government seeds $1,000 into a tax-advantaged investment account. Parents and family can add up to $5,000 a year, and it grows, invested in the stock market, for the child's future. And sixth, a bigger standard deduction. For 2025, it rises to about $15,750 for single filers and $31,500 for married couples. On top of that, the lower 2017 tax rates are now made permanent. So who actually qualifies? The big thing to remember is that most of these breaks are aimed at working and middle-income Americans, and they phase out as your income climbs higher. One key point that trips people up: most of these are deductions, not credits. A credit comes straight off your tax bill, dollar for dollar. A deduction only lowers the income you are taxed on, so your real savings depend on your tax bracket. You claim them when you file, using new IRS forms. So let us recap all 6 changes and the numbers that matter. That is the 2026 tax picture in plain English. No tax on tips, no tax on overtime, a senior bonus, a car loan break, Trump accounts for kids, and a bigger standard deduction. Now, this is general information, not tax advice, so check your own situation at IRS.gov or with a tax professional. If this helped you, subscribe to the Daily Brief, where we explain the news and your money every single day.